Nappy Subbies! Welcome back to Nappy Missy 101. And I, of course, am Nappy Missy 101. Today, I want to show you how to do this. That's called a Bantu-knot NappyDoo. So I want to show you how I achieved this look. Stay tuned, guys. like it. I am really loving it on my teeny weeny afro. You guys, when my hair was this short years and years ago, even every time I cut it, I never tried a Bantu-knot NappyDoo. Like, and I think it's turned out quite good. I mean, and yo, listen, let me tell you what I'm gonna want. I gotta want some MAC eyeliner, MAC mascara, and the lip gloss I have on is Kiko. And that's it, you guys. You see? When you got a beautiful heart and a beautiful soul, let me tell you, it just shines through. I'm telling you. So guys, okay, that's enough of blowing my own horn. But I'm feeling this. I really am feeling this. Like, but this is like one of my favorite go-to hairstyles. Like when my hair gets longer, this is one of my favorite go-to hairstyles. One day, you see this picture back there? That picture I painted, of course, but one day you'll see a picture back there, and it's gonna be of me with this hairdo, because it's one of my favorite hairdos. Seriously, I painted it myself. Anyway, guys, enough about me. I hope you like this hairdo. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, whatever you desire. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to tell a friend and get them to subscribe too. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.